Zombie apocalypse.
Hey everyone, my name is Shubham Kumar Giri and I am currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology degree from Reva University. I have secured an aggregate SGPA of 8.8 throughout my semester. I have done my higher secondary schooling from IGMHS Kolkata, where I bagged a percentage of 68.6 in my 12th standard and an SGPA of 9.2 in my 10th standard. My primary skills are C, C++, Python, Java and SQL, whereas my secondary skills are HTML, CSS, JavaScript and PHP. Talking about my professional experience, I've been an intern with Brain Gateway, where I explored different web development services and managed their websites. And I've also been an academic instructor with ThinkIFIC and TransTutors, where I help students in solving different programming related problems. And also I've been a web content intern with HQ, where I delivered them with different web related content. Talking about my projects that I've achieved so far includes travel agency landing page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, Discord bots, where I create different Discord bots for my server for the flexibility of usage, and users can easily accommodate on my Discord server. Discord is basically a gaming platform and community for online chatting. Number 3, I've developed a web-based calculator using JavaScript. Number 4, I've been a major part in my group project, which was a web-based career recommendation app. And also I've been a part in Times Square news app, which delivers different news around the world. Talking about my achievements that I've achieved so far include Microsoft Virtual Internship with Inside Sherpa, Google Digital Marketing Certification, Accenture Internship, which was virtual from Inside Sherpa, JP Morgan Virtual Internship from Inside Sherpa, AWS Udemy Certification, AI Udemy Certification. Talking about my Coursera certificates, it includes Introduction to Human Psychology, JavaScript, Object-Oriented Programming in Java, the complete fundamentals of languages like C, C++ and Python crash course. I know languages like English, Hindi and Bengali, and I'm pretty fluent with these languages. My interest lies in football, cricket and multiplayer games. Thank you.